Hello, we are on another topic. Some are asking that I should make the feed formula. Since I have made the starter, I should also give them the finisher feed formula. In this video, I'm giving you poultry broiler finisher feed formula with eggshell. Do you have eggshells in large quantity? Do you have access to it in your environment? Don't throw it away. Stop wasting eggshell. They are not waste. Eggshells is a byproduct for poultry feed. Let's get started. Broiler finisher feed formula with eggshell. Remember, if you have been following our feed formulation for the past 2 weeks now, you notice that corn is one of the major feed ingredients for poultry and livestock animals. Soya bean, groundnut cake, wheat offal, rice bran, lysine, methionine, vitamin and mineral premix, animal blood meal, bone meal, enzymes, preservatives, salt, and many others. In this video, we are using only few of them. Let's start with number 1, maize. Number 2, soya bean meal, SBM. Number 3, GNC, groundnut cake. Number 4, wheat offal. Number 5, fish meal. Number 6, we are now using our processed eggshell powder. Number 7, vegetable oil. Number 8, vitamin and mineral premix. Number 9, methionine. Number 10, lysine. Number 11, enzyme, if you want to make use of it. Number 12, toxic binder. Now, number 13, salt. All these from vitamin and mineral premix, methionine, lysine, enzyme, and all this processed eggshell powder, they are all vitamins and minerals. These ones are additives, something you add to the feed to make it richer. Just like you adding salt to your food, adding curry and many others like cube, Maggi, and other cubes in your feed, in your food. They are just additives, something that will make the food attractive. These are minerals and vitamins and additives. Now, what are the inclusion rates we are going to make use of? Now, let's start with corn is the major. Corn, let's use 61.8 kg. This is good. Soya bean, let's use 25.0 kg. Groundnut cake, let's use 5.0 kg. Wheat offal, let's use 4.0 kg. Fish meal, let's use 2.0 kg. Processed eggshell powder, let's use 1.0 kg, which is equivalent to 1%. Vegetable oil, let's use 0.5 kg. This is for fat. Vitamin and mineral premix, let's use 0.5 kg. DL methionine, let's use 0.2 kg. Lysine, let's use 0.1 kg. Salt, let's use 0.2 kg. Toxin binder, let's use 0.01 kg. Enzyme, let's use 0.01 kg. Now, these are the, when you're looking for energy in the feed and carbohydrates, it still contain fat, corn is here for you. When you're looking for soya bean, here you are looking for the crude protein. This is crop crude protein. Groundnut cake, you're looking for crop crude protein. Wheat, you're looking for fiber and protein also. Fish meal, you're looking for animal protein. Processed eggshell powder, looking for calcium. Vegetable oil, you're looking for fat. Vitamin and mineral premix, you're looking for minerals and vitamins. DL methionine, you're looking for additives. Lysine, additives. Toxin binder, it helps to protect the feed from toxins, from harmful substance. Enzyme, it helps the feed digestion and feed assimilation by chicken and livestock animals. Salt, you're looking for sodium chloride. Now, if you want to check the crude protein, let's come here now. Crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, available phosphorus, crude calcium or calcium, lysine, methionine, energy of this feed. It is very simple. We have done it many times. To reduce the length of this video, I'm not going into this, but I will give you guideline on how to get it. And if you really want me to continue the process of teaching on this feed formulation, do me a favor and use this as an assignment. Do it at home, at the comfort of your home, and present the answer to me on the comment section. I'll be glad to do that. Do you really want me to continue on this feed processing, how to make your own feed in your farm without buying expensive commercial feed? Do this at home and give me the answer to this. Now go and check the nutritional analysis, nutritional composition of maize on energy, protein, fat, fiber, phosphorus, calcium and others. Now if you get the protein of maize about 8.5, between 8 and 8.5%, soya bean 45 to 48%, groundnut cake 45 to 48%, wheat offer 15 to 18%, fish meal 60%, depending on the type of fish meal you are using. These are the only protein. How do you get the crude protein here now? Multiply this by this, divide it, or multiply this by 8%, or you multiply 61.8 multiply by 8.5 divide by 100. That's how you get the crude protein contribution of maize to this particular feed. Then you want to get the one of soya bean, multiply 25 times 45 divided by 100 because of the percent, 100%, because of 45%. Then you get the contribution of soya bean in this feed. Then you go to groundnut cake, 5 times 45 divided by 100. You now get the groundnut cake protein inclusion in this particular feed. Then the same thing you continue with sorry. Now you go to fish. 2 times 60 divided by 100. You get the fish contribution of protein in this particular feed. You add up all from beginning to end. You get the total crude protein on this particular feed. You now go back to the energy. What is the energy contribution? What is the energy content of maize, soya bean, granola cake, and others? If you get it, you multiply it by 61, divide it by 100. Multiply 61, divide by 100. Whatever I give you, add all. That's the total energy of this feed. You now go to fat. You check the fat content of all these feed ingredients, including the vegetable oil. You multiply them by the total inclusion rate, divided by 100, you get this. Phosphorus, the same thing also applicable to all. That's how you get it. Please, if you can help me and do this, I will be very glad. Do it and present the answer for me on the comment section. Number 1, what I need is energy. 1, 2, crude protein. 3, fat. 4, fiber. 5, available phosphorus. 6, calcium. 7, lysine. And 8, metal you need. Please get it and get the total of each of them. If you want me to get the number 1 for you, let me show you. This is 61.8 times 8.5 divided by 100. Whatever I give you, write it here. 25 times 45 divided by 100. Whatever I give you, write it here. 5 times 45 divided by 100. Whatever I give you, write it here. 4 times 15 divided by 100. Write it here. 2 times 60 divided by 100. Write it here. Now total this plus this plus this plus this plus this. Bring it here. CP equals whatever I give you, write it here. You go to energy. The same thing also. Please do it and present the answer on the comment section. I will be very glad. That will help me to show me that you guys are really following. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumb up and share this video. If you have any comment, drop it on the comment section. Thumb up is just that sign that looks like this. Very simple. And share this video to other platforms. Are you in TikTok? Are you in other social media, Facebook, YouTube, live, anywhere you belong, Instagram and others? Share it. As you are sharing this, you are having a copy of it in your own profile, so that anytime you need something like this, you can easily go back and get the information you need. We are meeting in the next video loading very soon. Please make sure you join our channel membership. Only few of them are there. Please, channel membership is very important. That's how you can contribute to the growth of this channel. Many of you are not here. Only few, just less than 2% of all the subscribers are there. Less than 2%. You're not up to 10 there. Please, why not join? Is it that 200 naira or 500 naira in a month that will be too difficult for you? But when you have an issue, you start disturbing me, stop calling me. Even in the midnight, you call me for me to attend to you. Let's help ourselves, please. Thank you for watching. We are meeting in the next video. Bye for now.